Windy, rainy, here we go. Let's feed the sheep and then we're gonna make some pollinator boxes. Pretty soon we'll have to separate 3 female ewes because they'll be going to a new home next Friday. We'll also give them some kelp for today, a little free choice. They like it too. Quick update on the greenhouse. We got the shelves are in. I'm gonna build a couple more down here, but we already have some stuff growing. And here's the pot hanger I was talking about. I just used some plumber straps. And there's the pots, and she'll have a bunch more up there in a second. So everything's doing pretty good in here, and the tables are really nice and functional. I have the tall tables for Doug and the short table for Stacy. Phew, time for a break. I'm also putting together these chairs. We got a good deal on these chairs. They're made out of some biodegradable stuff that lasts forever or something. And so we're putting these together too, because in the middle of this area here where I'm putting together this, and you guys saw me rock last year, I put up the rock in here. We're gonna make this like a little fire pit area where we can sit in these chairs and have friends over, and have a little cowboy cooker right here. We're gonna be doing a lot more cooking on cast iron, like the Dutch ovens and stuff like that, so stay tuned for that. But so far for this project, I just wanted to talk about 2 things real quick. One is I'm using the cedar boards. They're 2x6s, and you only need 1 row for like plants like this to collect pollinators. We're just going to put black-eyed Susans, and then we're going to have several different plants spread out throughout the year that flower at different times, so we'll always have color and bloom and flowers for the pollinators. So keep that in mind when you're putting your box together. And the second thing I want to talk about is I was talking to an Amish guy yesterday, a buddy of mine, and he came over and he was checking out the raised beds, and we were kind of chatting it up, and we started laughing, but he said something that really struck home. He said, you're you're getting old because you start out farming on the ground, and then the older you get, the higher up the beds are. And he says, pretty soon you're up here farming. Me and Stacy just started busting up. It was so funny. So I'm gonna get back to this build. I just wanted to drop that little comment off for you guys. And you don't want to waste too much boards, building something just for flowers. They're not really deep rooted. You don't have to really worry about it. So these are gonna work really well. So let's put them together now, and then I'll show you on both sides how it's going to look. But in another video, we'll put the dirt in there, and then we'll get the seeds in, and then you'll seed throughout the summer. If you watch our videos like a good homestead homie, I know you want to win a stainless steel bowl or a pie plate, you'll see all the things that are going to be growing in them all summer long to attract pollinators. And that's pretty much it. That's how you build a raised bed for your pollinator plants. Pollinators are very important for the homestead, for anybody who's growing any kind of plants, you know, for food. That just attracts more pollinators, and the more pollinators you can get, the better off you are. So don't just count on the honeybees. You also want to attract butterflies and all the other pollinators, hummingbirds. We have hummingbird feeders that'll be going out pretty soon. So just keep that in mind when you're thinking about pollinators in your garden. Hopefully you guys are getting ready to have a great growing season. Here we grow. Don't forget, we're going to be at the Baker Creek Spring Planting Festival coming up the first Sunday and Monday in May. That's May 6th and 7th. And we're also, for the first time ever, hosting a meet and greet in Hannibal, Missouri. It's the Hannibal Hoedown. Stacy named it. And that's going to be in August, the 12th and 13th. Stay tuned for more details. Don't miss a single video, because we know you guys are going to want to come to that. And if you guys are homeschooling, or you just want to take a little summer family vacation, what a great place to visit. Hannibal has so much to offer. Plus we'll be there, and we're lining up a few people to speak and bring their stuff. And if you're a homesteader and you make things on your homestead and you travel around, or you do shows like farmers markets, stuff like that, and you want to come hang out with us and even bring your stuff and sell it at a table there, we're not charging any money or anything for vendors. So if you come up and hang out, you can set up a table and help support your homestead as well. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. As a matter of fact, make sure you're watching our other videos. Make sure you watch that butterfly house video where we went and talked to a guy who knows all pollinators, and we had a really good interview with him for a Field Trip Friday. Also, stay tuned, because you're going to be able to see what Stacy does with this box and the other one across the way that I made for her today, and you're really going to love it. It's really going to be a really nice looking area to hang out. So as always, thanks for your time. We appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next video. Oh, and leave a comment down below. How many wildflowers are you planting around your garden?
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.